Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net and I'm back again with a brand new video where I will show you how you can transfer the ownership of your Discord server. So in case if you have created any of your Discord server and now you no longer want to be a part of it, or you just want to delete your Discord account, you will be required to transfer the ownership of your Discord server to any of your friends on Discord. So let's see how you can do that, and without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Alright, so first of all you need to open the Discord app and you will see the chat section of your server. Now you have to tap the three lines at the top left corner, and from here you just have to tap the three dots that is given next to your server's name. So simply tap those three dots and here you will see a few options. You just have to go to settings, press the gear icon, and here again you will see a few options under settings. Now what you need to do is just scroll down a bit and under user management you will see a few options. You have to choose members, and here you will see the list of all your friends that are connected to you on Discord. Now if you want to transfer the ownership of this Discord server that you have opened, alright, if you want to transfer the ownership to any of your friends, you have to tap the three dots given next to that friend's name. Alright, and here as you can see you will get a few options. The last option says transfer ownership, so you just have to press that and it will give you some instructions or information that I acknowledge that by transferring ownership of this server to this person, it officially belongs to them. Alright, so they will become the owner of that server and you will no longer have any rights to that server. So that's what transferring ownership means. So if you are fine with that, just select that box and simply tap transfer. So that's how easily you can transfer the ownership of any of your Discord server that you have created. And once you have transferred the ownership of all the servers, you can easily delete your Discord account. So that was all for this topic. I hope you found it helpful, and if you still have any doubts or queries, you can ask me in the comment section down below, and you can also visit my website, that is GetAssist.net, for more similar content. And I will take the leave now. We'll be back soon with a new video.